You don't need developers to accept payments anymore. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Stripe plus no-code tools equals serious revenue. Let's build it in 20 minutes. I used to think Stripe was for technical founders only. Turns out, I was completely wrong. Today, we're gonna build a payment system from scratch. No code. No developers. By the end of this video, you'll know how Stripe actually works under the hood, how to connect it to no-code tools like Zapier and HeyGen, how to build a real payment workflow in 20 minutes, and how to make serious money once you're live. This is the exact workflow we use with our clients. First, Stripe 101. What you actually need to know. Stripe is a payment processor. You plug it in, money flows through it, Stripe takes a small cut. 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the US. That's the standard. Here's why Stripe wins. They have an API. A really good one. That API is how we plug it into no-code tools. Most payment processors? They don't have APIs. They're closed off. Stripe? Wide open. That's the advantage. How it works. Customer pays right-pointing arrow money goes to Stripe, right-pointing arrow Stripe deposits into your bank account. Simple. You don't need servers. You don't need a development team. But here's the catch. You need to connect Stripe to something. That's where no-code tools come in. Second, the no-code workflow. How to actually use Stripe without touching code. Your setup will look like this. 1. Customer visits your page. 2. Customer clicks buy. 3. They get sent to a Stripe payment form generated by Stripe. 4. They pay. 5. Payment confirmed, right-pointing arrow triggers a Zapier workflow. 6. Zapier does the rest, sends email, updates spreadsheet, creates customer record, whatever. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Zapier is the glue. Stripe handles payments. You handle everything else. And here's the kicker. This entire setup takes maybe 20 minutes to build. Why no code matters? You're not limited to what Stripe offers. Stripe is just the payment part. Zapier connects it to literally thousands of other tools. Want to send the customer a personalized HeyGen video after they pay? Zapier can do that. Want to create a Slack notification, update Airtable, send an email, and trigger a Notion workflow all at once? Zapier does it. One workflow. You're essentially building a custom payment system for a fraction of what hiring a developer would cost. Third, let's build it. Real example in real time. Step 1. Stripe account setup, 5 minutes, go to stripe.com. Sign up. Verify your bank account. Done. You don't need a business entity to use Stripe. You can use a personal account. They'll verify you're real, then you're live. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. You need one thing, your API keys. In Stripe, go to Developers, right-pointing arrow, API keys. You'll see 2 keys, publishable key, safe to share, secret key. Keep this private, copy both. You'll need them in Zapier. Step 2. Create a payment link, 5 minutes. This is the easiest way to start. A payment link is basically a Stripe-hosted checkout page. In Stripe, go to Payment Links. Create a new one. Set your product, e.g., my course, or coaching session. Set the price. Done. You now have a link like stripe.com/pay/abc123def456. Share that link anywhere. Your website, email, Twitter, wherever. When someone clicks it, they see Stripe's checkout form. They pay. Stripe handles everything. Step 3. Zapier integration, 10 minutes. Now we connect Stripe to Zapier so something happens after payment. Log into Zapier. Create a new workflow. Trigger. Stripe, right-pointing arrow, new successful payment. Connect your Stripe account. You'll authorize with those API keys. Done. Now set the action. What happens after payment? For this example, let's send an email and create a customer record in Airtable. Action 1. Gmail right pointing arrow send email to customer_email. Zapier fills this from Stripe. Subject: thanks for your purchase. Body: personalized thank you message. Action 2. Airtable right pointing arrow create record table. Customers name customer_name. Email customer_email. Purchase date payment_date. Amount payment_amount. Tested. Pay yourself. Watch the workflow trigger. Email arrives. Airtable record created. It works. 4th. Advanced. HeyGen avatar personalization. Let's say you want something more impressive. After someone pays, you want them to receive a personalized video from an AI avatar. Here's how. Add another action to your Zapier workflow. Action 3. HeyGen right pointing arrow create personalized video. HeyGen is a platform that creates AI avatar videos. You give it a script and a name, it generates a video. In Zapier, add a webhook to call HeyGen's API. Example: after payment, HeyGen creates a video saying, "Hey, customer_name, thanks for purchasing product_name. Here's your exclusive content." This is 2-3 minutes of video. Feels personalized. Feels premium. The customer receives it via email. This separates you from competitors instantly. Why it works: personalization builds trust. An AI avatar video feels more professional than a generic email. 5th. Monetization strategies. Now that you have a payment system, how do you make real money? There are 3 models. Model 1. Digital products, courses, templates, tools, software. Price: $27 $297. You create once, sell infinitely. Margin: approximately 100%, hosting costs are minimal. Example: a $47 Airtable template pack sells to 100 people equals $4,700 in 1 week. Model 2. Services, consulting, coaching, productized services. Price: $500 $5,000 plus. You deliver once, get paid. Margin: 70-90%, your time. Example: $2,000 Airtable setup day, for founders. 10 clients per month equals $20,000. Model 3. Subscriptions, membership, community, recurring tools. Price: $9.99 per month. Lifetime value is what matters. Margin: 85-95%. Example: $29 per month automation community, with 50 members equals $1,450 per month recurring. The no-code advantage: you can launch any of these today. No developer needed. No shipping. No inventory. Revenue from day 1. 6th. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Overcomplicating the workflow. You don't need 20 Zapier actions. Start with 1. Send an email. Add complexity later when you have customers. Mistake 2. Not testing. Always test your Stripe right pointing arrow Zapier workflow before going live. Send yourself a test payment. Verify the email arrives, the record is created. Mistake 3. Pricing wrong. Most people underprice. A course isn't worth $7. It's worth $47 $197. Don't compete on price. Compete on perceived value. Mistake 4. Forgetting to follow up. Payment is step 1. Follow up is where money is made. Use Zapier to send a sequence of emails after purchase. Day 1. Here's your purchase. Day 3. Here's a tip to get started. Day 7. You might also like. That's how you sell more. 7th. Tools you actually need to build this yourself. 1. Stripe, free account, pay only on sales. 2. Zapier, $25.99 per month depending on automation volume. 3. HeyGen, optional, $10.50 per month for avatar videos. 4. Airtable, free or $10 per month for more space. 5. Gmail, free, total startup cost, $25.50 per month. For context, one course sale at $47 pays for a month of Zapier. One client call at $500 pays for a year. This pays for itself immediately. 8th, the CTA. Here's what you should do right now. 1. Go to stripe.com. Sign up. Takes 10 minutes. 2. Create a payment link for something you want to sell. 3. Paste that link in the comments below. 4. Set a reminder to build your first Zapier workflow tomorrow. You can have a working payment system live by tomorrow evening. If 100 of you do this, and each of you makes 5 sales at $50, that's $25,000 in the community. None of that money is being made today because you haven't set it up. Set it up. One more thing, the affiliate angle. I make money 3 ways from this. 1. Stripe affiliate, when you sign up through a link. 2. Zapier affiliate, same. 3. Course on no-code automation, sells to 10% of people who watch this. That's an extra $300,500 from this video. You should do the same. Once you're set up, there are affiliate programs for everything. Stripe has a partner program. Zapier pays $100 per sign-up. HeyGen has affiliate commissions. Airtable has a referral program. You're giving real value. Affiliate income is just a bonus. Drop a comment. What's the first thing you'd sell with this system? Subscribe for more no-code, no-developer, pure profit setups. And check the description for the free template and affiliate links.